Hello my friend, thank you very much for watching my video and my website. And we are in the middle of the hill, and also we are on the second floor, just below the top floor. Top floor is occupied by one of my customer, Mr. Landlord, and this one has just a kind of a small balcony. You can see there is now NS Ramsan. Okay, when you go up this place, it's a bit hard because it's on the hill. Definitely. Let's look at the inside of the apartment. There was the entrance. Oh, let's see. That one is the main bedroom beside the gate, front door, and kitchen. That one for the storage area. Beside the refrigerator, that's the main second bedroom. Which one is? This one is the third bedroom, I would say so. And this one is the bathroom, as you might have guessed easily. And this one should be the second bedroom. Second bedroom, I had a sliding door. I don't like the sliding door due to privacy. Okay. Thermostat is installed in the second bedroom. Sliding door, but not transparent, no noise proof. Okay, I'm leaning the sliding door frame of the second bedroom. East facing living room window. There's a big air conditioner, but there is no other. There's not none other. What is that? No other air conditioners. That is the only air conditioner in the whole apartment. Main bedroom is quite big. Two things are very huge: main bedroom and refrigerator. I wish I have this kind of refrigerator. I was always wondering how I can get ice, but I don't see any ice. Fresh이죠. If I don't know if it has any function to get ice. Okay. Bathroom, kind of big, so you have let's go inside the bathroom. Watch. Bathtub is a bit smaller, but better than nothing. The washing machine looks okay. I always recommend Samsung. This is the washing machine. Very clean. I don't see any mold. I met the landlord. The landlord said he will change floor and wallpaper. Wallpaper inside the apartment. Wallpaper will be changed. Thank you very much. And also this floor, yellow floor will be replaced. Thank you very much.